anak ko, kaya nakakaintindi.
Eh, mga anak ni Lloyd.
Capri, you ask the
How
children of
about
the
your
court.
son and daughter? Where are they?
They're in Canada. They're both working, and I have a grandson now.
Oh,
How many grandsons?
One.
One only.
what do they feel about ate?
They
Yeah.
love it.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. What's your
Plans.
what's your dedication? Dedication. Dedication to thesis, yes.
You have all
Any message?
I want to be a very good husband to her.
Tell her.
I want to be a very, very good husband to you. And I want to live with you for the rest of my life. And be true and happy. And close family. All my life. That's what I want.
How about you, Christina?
Lloyd, I'm here for you and then I will take care of you for the whole life. Yeah. Even poor or rich, I don't care. I love you.
I love you too.
May nanalo na! Para na-inggit yung mga foreigner dito sa atin. Dami rin sa studio. Ayan o. Ayan, why don't you guys kiss? It's Valentine's Day. You, the two of you.
Okay.
May isa pa kanina, isa mo.
Oh,
Foreigner ba yan?
Ilocano yan.
Ito? Kalbo lang, foreigner na. Yan. Isa pa kanina. Yan! Yan! Oh! Sa Disney.
Okay, split kayo dalawa.
siguro.
Maayos man, ma. Ako naiintindihan ko yung lahat.
Ayan ba?
Sila lang. Valentine, no?
Wala bang message muna?
Valentine.
Dahan-dahan, oo. Message muna.
Hindi, nila yung music.